Need advice on how to use email marketing? Try these tips. How many times have you signed up for a mailing list, usually to get something free in return, only to unsubscribe later because what you get is garbage? Avoid driving customers away with these types of emails by watching this video and learning some techniques, which will make your email marketing effective. Make sure that you get permission from customers or potential customers before sending out your emails. If people do not want to get emails from you, they could mark your emails as spam or even ignore you altogether. There is even a chance that your email service could take you out of their system. Always have one clear message in each email. If your email has too much information, clients will feel annoyed, bored, or even overwhelmed. Focus on one topic per email and go straight to the point. Your customers will respond more positively to a message that is easily understood and goes straight to the point. If you buy a list of emails to send to, check and make sure it is up to date. Sometimes lists for sale might match your target demographics but be woefully out of date. The number of addresses now defunct can be as high as 25% of the overall list. Maximize the results of your email marketing by encouraging your readers to respond to every email. Always read and reply to these emails immediately. Building a personal relationship with each of your readers is the best way to convert them into loyal customers. This is also a good way to get more specific feedback on the success of your efforts. Now that you have read the tips listed here, you have the knowledge which can put your email marketing campaign head and above the rest. Consider printing this video aside, so that you can refer to it as necessary in order to get the most out of the information in this video. Success will come to you as soon as you put your mind into motion. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.